Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla false autopilot forward collision alerts and outlines commonly documented reasons why the system may issue collision warnings even when no immediate obstacle is present. This behavior has been discussed across multiple Tesla models equipped with camera-based driver assistance and can vary by autopilot hardware generation software version and driving environment. Forward collision alerts are generated when the system estimates a potential impact risk based on camera perception object classification and relative speed calculations. Verified information shows that high-contrast visual conditions are a major factor. Strong sunlight shadows, reflections from road surfaces, parked vehicles, roadside objects, or overpasses can momentarily resemble obstacles to the vision system, leading to conservative warnings. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Other verified contributors include rapid changes in traffic flow, sudden cut-ins by other vehicles, sharp curves, cresting hills, and road geometry that limits forward visibility. Software tuning differences between autopilot versions can also influence alert sensitivity. As a possibility, though not confirmed in every case, camera calibration drift or temporary sensor occlusion such as dirt, rain, or glare could increase the likelihood of false alerts. General guidance includes remaining attentive while using driver assistance features, understanding that forward collision alerts are designed to prioritize safety, observing whether alerts occur in consistent locations, and noting changes after software updates. If alerts become frequent or disruptive, service evaluation may help rule out calibration or hardware issues. Overall, false forward collision alerts are typically related to vision system interpretation limits under certain driving and lighting conditions, rather than a fault in the braking or safety system. The exact behavior can differ by vehicle generation, autopilot version, and operating environment. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.